Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can get a BMO Harris Business Credit Card. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that you have your business information and personal ID ready, and this will help you access business credit and manage company expenses efficiently. So first, you will have to visit the BMO Harris Bank website, and then you will go to the business banking. So go ahead and look for business banking. And once you're on your business banking, you will just have to click credit cards, which is right here. And then next, you will select the uh, business credit card that you want, and then you will click apply now, and then after that you will just have to fill in your business details, including the legal name, the tax ID, and the business type, and so on. And then after that you will just have to enter your personal information and financial details as required, and finally you will just have to review the application and submit it and wait for the approval. And once approved, your card will be mailed to you. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.